Today we'll talk about how can you use Pawns.App. So in the first you just go down, click on profile here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you manage your settings. You click on edit here. So then here can you select face in this list. Here can you select here and headwear for your avatar in this list. When you down click here on save to save video. Here can you add your nickname, just click on edit, add here your nickname here. So then here we will find all chime statistics here, your activity here. So when you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on account, and here can you change your password here, and here can, if you want to enable here your two-factor authentication. So then here can you manage your notifications if you want to disable it or enable it here. And here you log out, then here delete your account. So then we will go back here, and here in preferences, here can you change your language here. You change it in this list. So then here you click on appearance, and here if you want to enable dark theme or light theme here. So here if you want to enable or disable sounds here. So then we will go back here. Here we'll find community, just click on it. If you want to get your revealer code here, if you want to find it here. So then here codes here, and here can you in with this levels here. Can you just do this levels here, and you get points like you see here. It's going to show for you in this list. So then you click here on Erin here, you click on this sign, and here you will find your balance here in this list. So you will find all balance, and here your history. Then here can you request your payout with transfers here. You select your country, and here your transfers with Bitcoin or PayPal or Pioneer or Visa here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.